Hi all, my name is Satyendra Baniwal and you're watching Die Hard 29. So there are many ways you can download free music and sound effects, copyright free music and sound effects from the web. I came across one way which is provided by YouTube itself for the creators. So I thought I should share this information with my audience, so whosoever does not know they can get benefited. So let's see how we can download copyright free music and sound effects from YouTube itself. So first of all we need to open Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome you can type youtube.com/audio library /music. Once you open this link, you will see there are two options. One is for music and one is for sound effects. So when you click on music, it'll show you the tracks, and there is an icon on which if you click you will be able to download it. Now moving on to the next, if you need sound effects, click on the sound effects tab next to the music tab and you will be able to see all the sound effects. And one more thing which is important is when you click on the track, you will see there's an option highlighted below music policy. You need to check that before you use that audio clip into your videos. So it'll show you whether it's totally copyright free or you need to credit credit the author or not. So that's all for today, and keep watching Die Hard 29 for more videos like this. Thank you so much.